So the first thing that we want to do with our view power is to use view data to list our to-do items rather than just writing them down via HTML. We can do this by going to our main.js. We no longer need this, so we can change this to to-dos, which will represent our to-do items. It will be an array since there'll be more than one task. There can be more than one task at least. And instead of just having an array of string, we would want an array of object. The reason for this is because other than the name of the task, which might be, for example, task 1, we also need another key for that object, which is done or is completed. This refers to whether or not the task has been completed. And the default will be false as a boolean. Because whenever someone add a new to-do item, it is logical that the item has not yet been done. So since it's an array, we can add this object multiple times. This to-do object multiple times. So this is the, let's repeat it thrice. We need a comma to separate the array item. So task 1, task 2, and task 3. And in order for us to display this in the website, we'll have to go back to our index.html, look at our task list, which is this. This is the first task item. This is the second one and third one. We can delete the second one and third one by now because we don't want to hard code the list item. We will now programmatically control the list item via Vue.js. To do that, we can use the for loop that Vue.js provide, which is called v-for. And we can type in to do in to-dos. Don't worry if you feel confused here. To-dos here refers to the to-dos here. So now, and this is a for loop, which means that this whole li will repeat as many times as there are array items over here. So in this case, it will loop 3 times and print out the list item thrice. But for now, it will list them and just show this thing 3 times. Let's take a look. So yes, it will just list this 3 times because there are 3 array objects. So it simply is repeating this whole li 3 times since there is a v-for over here. In order for us to actually show the name of the to-do, what we can do is to use the variable that we have set here. This can actually be anything. I can even change it to task if I want, but I like the word to-do better since it's the singular of this plural. So we can actually put the double braces again, double curly braces to access our view data item. And in this case, since it's a loop, we can use this to do over here to access the individual array item. And since it's an object, we need to specify .name or .isDone. And in this case, we want the .name to appear here, and then we want a colon, and we want to show whether it's done or not, just so that we know that it's showing correctly. Save it, and let's take a look at our app currently. So task 1, false, task 2, false, task 3, false.